Hey guys, I'm here with Slush. Hey, Ruff. And Kiki. Hey, meow. And I'm here to tell you guys today about the complete history of Henry the Green Engine. Oh, cool. Yeah. I'm going to link the video in the description so you guys can watch the whole thing. But this is just what I wrote down from that video. Now, I do want to tell you two that Henry's backstory is very complex and unfortunate. Oh, we understand. Yeah. Yeah, this video might be a little long because I do have to explain in the entirety of Henry's backstory, or at least what I wrote down from watching the video that I'm going to link. So Reverend Audrey's drawings basically depicted Henry as an Atlantic with the 442 wheel arrangement, but the first illustrator, William Middleton, depicted him in the 462, similar to Gordon. Oh. Audrey was so upset with that Middleton didn't return for the second book. Was he fired? I don't know, Slush. Maybe. Reginald Payne took over her and drew Henry very similar to Gordon. Oh. But then he suffered mental health problem. So Clarence Reginald Dalby took over as illustrator. And yet again, incorrectly illustrated Henry as a 460. Oh. Henry just could not get a break with not being illustrated properly. No, Slush, apparently not. Audrey was frustrated that no illustrator could get Henry right, so he wanted to write a story where Henry becomes ill and gets sent off from the railway. Oh. Then Kid had started writing it and asking Audrey for more of Henry. Oh. I mean, these kids still liked Henry, even if he wasn't being illustrated properly. Yeah. And the story of Henry's design is actually a bit funny. So, in 1919, a thief was sent in by one of Sir Nigel Greasley's rivals to snatch drawings of his proposed 462 Pacific. But the thief stole the wrong drawings, instead stealing drawings of a flawed design. Oh. And this locomotive was built in secret, but the builder realized the mistake too late, which resulted in Henry. He was basically a flawed Pacific with a tiny firebox squeezed in between its rear drivers. Oh. That would probably explain all those problems Henry had early in the series. Probably, Slush. Henry's small firebox made him a pretty bad steamer. So Sir Topham had decided to bring in special Welsh coal, which burned better and produced more steam. So Henry didn't have those steaming troubles anymore. Oh, wow. That winter, Henry had an accident with the flying kipper on some icy tracks. I think you two know where this is going. Yeah. The damage was so bad that Henry was sent to Crewe for a complete rebuild. He returned a year later. Henry looked more like a real-life engine after he was rebuilt. Oh, cool. In the books, Henry is portrayed as grumpy and kind of standoffish. Yeah, sorta. His personality stayed relatively unchanged when Audrey's son Christopher took over writing the Railway series. The only thing that really changed was having a rivalry with James throughout Christopher's books. Oh wow. Henry's journey in the original TV seasons is pretty much the same as the one he had in the Railway series. Wow. So did you two enjoy me telling you guys a little bit about Henry? Yeah. I like Henry, but I've always wanted to know a bit more of his backstory, and now I do. Yep. Yeah, guys, that was just me telling Slush and Kiki a little bit about Henry the Green Engine's history. And like I already said, that video is going to be linked in the description so you can watch the whole thing.